back to the past to play the shitty games that suck ass. He'd rather have a buffalo take a diarrhea dump in his ear. He'd rather eat the rotten asshole of a roadkill skunk and down it with beer. He's the angriest gamer you've ever heard. He's the angry Nintendo nerd. He's the angry Atari Sega nerd. He's the angry video game nerd.
Yo, what's up, bitches? It's your boy Angry Video Game Nerd here back again with another video where I'll be playing Banjo-Kazooie nuts and bolts. I heard this game was also bad, and my good friend JonTron even played it.
Oh no!
Oh no! No!
Come on, man.
Listen, there's nothing in this life. I'm wasting it here.
Wow, this looks completely odd. I guess that's the Xbox 360 graphics for ya. Anyways, let's play this game.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, no wonder why JonTron didn't like this game. This game is a load of ass out from a dumpster fire of hell. Why the fuck would Rare, the greatest company of all time, tend to agree to be with Microsoft and look at Leeds? It used to be a platformer and collecting jiggies.
Okay.
But now it's about building cars and going to places that looks deserted. What were they even thinking when they were trying to make this? This is unbelievable. I am going to Kurt Cobain myself now because I can't take it any more of this shit. Goodbye, cruel world.
He's the angry video game nerd.